Hi, welcome to Equilibrium. Today we're going to be talking about gratitude journaling. So gratitude journaling is basically the concept of writing a journal about what you're grateful for and what you're thankful for in that day or at the time. So to get started with gratitude journaling, you don't really need to do a lot of things. You basically just need to get yourself a journal and start writing what you're grateful for. It can seem quite intimidating at first when you come to a gratitude journal and you've got a blank page and you don't really know what to write, or you're just intimidated by the concept of writing a list every day of what you're grateful for. So it's important to make sure that you start small and don't worry about having to write a full list of things. You can start with maybe writing 3 things a day or once a week about what you're grateful for, and then you can let yourself expand from there, and as you get into the habit of doing it, you can find that you can do more and more and more easily as well. So in terms of making it a habit, it's important to try and set yourself the same time every day. So choose a time today you're going to write down your gratitude journal. For example, it could be just before you go to sleep at night, and then you can set yourself that time to just write things that you're grateful for. It's important to make sure that you do have the right sort of conditions, if you will, to gratitude journal. So you want to make sure that you're in a space where you can be alone with your thoughts and you can have that peace and quiet to think about what you're grateful for. And it's important to remember that it doesn't have to be big things. You don't have to write big grand things that you're grateful for. It could be some small things like I'm grateful to be alive, I'm grateful that the sun is shining, something like that. That can just be small things that can help get you into that habit. It doesn't have to be big grand things and big major accomplishments, although it can be, and it should be if you're grateful for those things. If you are finding it difficult or you're intimidated by just staring at a blank page, you could try and find some prompts, gratitude prompts online, or you could try and think of some themed lists. For example, you could write things that you're grateful for about your appearance, or things that you're grateful for, say, in your room, and that can help you to not sort of stare blankly at this page and think, oh gosh, what can I write down? If you're finding it difficult, you can make it easier for yourself by writing small themed lists, or just finding some prompts online, or questions that you can ask yourself, things that you can think about to get yourself into that grateful mindset. And then when you get into the habit of it and when you do it more regularly, you'll then find it's easier to come same time each day and just to write yourself that list of gratitude, your gratitude list. Another thing to think about is that you don't have to worry about writing different things every day. You could write the same thing every day, and of course if you're grateful for that every day, then you should write that every day, and you should get yourself into a habit of just writing it. So don't worry about feeling like you're writing the same things all the time, because it's good that you're grateful for something. And when you do get yourself into the habit of writing this daily gratitude journal, you'll find that you become more grateful and more thankful in other areas of your life and other aspects and different times of your life. So not just when you're dedicating that time to journal, but you could just be making yourself a cup of tea and feeling grateful that you're having a cup of tea. So it helps you to become more grateful in your everyday life and when you're doing other everyday activities as well. So a couple of pointers I would say is to try and find yourself a blank journal and start afresh and start a new journal instead of finding an old journal. It just helps to get into that state of this is my gratitude journal, this is what I'm going to write down in this journal every day, instead of just finding a scrap piece of paper. I mean, obviously if that works for you, or you could do a digital list if that's better for you, but it's just, again, finding what's right, but trying to find something you can dedicate to that journaling and that gratitude journal. And one last thing to note, I would say, is that it's not about the number of things you come up with. It's not about having a great huge list of things that you're grateful for. It's more about finding yourself in that state of gratitude and thankfulness, and just being thankful and grateful for what you have. So I hope this helped. I hope you find this helps you to create your gratitude journal and your gratitude practice, and please subscribe for more videos like this in the future.